to Army. They told me that my hair is thinning. It changes the the relationship with people. I just wanted to look younger for me and for my family. Read reviews and I heard only good things about him, so it was a pleasant experience. Everybody tells me that I look younger. It looks natural. Absolutely, he's a very good doctor. As you can see, he can deliver what he's promising.
So this is my 7th month coming for another visit to Dr. Bolton's office, my hero. My surgery is it's absolutely phenomenally incredible. Please call me, email me. I mean, I'm just so excited that he did such an amazing job. Every time I walk in the door and he says, where is the line? I can't see it, it's getting smaller and smaller. And now I'm the first one in the pool, and I want to stay in the pool, and I want to be in the pool. I don't think I've enjoyed my pool so much. Thank you, Dr. Bolton, I have a pool. I just can't even imagine anyone not doing something like this. It's amazing.
Probably the age of 32, 34, that is when I started to lose my hair. I was born with a bald spot on my left-hand side. I had no hair where it just met my forehead. I saw the before and after pictures and they were amazing. It's just a couple of hours. It feels like watching a comedy show the whole time. Big time, I feel young. It's something I don't have to worry about my hair. I can now go to a short hairstyle now. Thank you very much, Dr. Bolton, for a good job.
I first noticed my hair loss about 39 years old. There was very minimal pain. It was a little discomfort, but just like any procedure I would assume, but a couple of Advil and I was fine. It's nice to not to try to hide it in the mirror and try to comb it each way. It just grew in. It's fantastic. With Dr. Bolton, it was this was the best results I've ever had. There was no scarring. There was no pain. I've recommended Dr. Bolton to quite a few people. Thank you, Dr. Bolton, for all your help. It's fantastic. I love my new hair.
I first noticed my hair loss early 20s. And everybody here felt very comfortable. Get the results I was looking for in one procedure. The investment definitely was worth it. It was something that definitely changes your life and your confidence. So yes, I highly recommend Dr. Bolton. What he's done for me, as I guess you can say, has changed my life. Thank you, Dr. Bolton.